The National Prosecuting Authority has confirmed that the state will appeal the charges against Oscar Pistorius, and I'm joined in studio by criminal law expert William Booth to help us understand what this means. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi.
Now, were we expecting this to happen?
I think we were, because after the conviction, there was a lot of talk about unhappiness from the prosecuting authority's side, if one is to believe what was being said, that they were considering appealing even at that point. But obviously they had to wait until the conclusion of the sentencing proceedings. Because the whole issue about whether this was murder on the basis of dolus eventualis or whether it was culpable homicide. So even at that stage, shortly after the conviction, I think one felt that this was being considered by the prosecuting authorities, and now subsequent to the sentence, now is the time that they must decide within a period of 14 days, and they've, I believe, also been speaking to other people and gathering information, considering the legal aspects, and as we've all heard, they've now decided to bring an application for leave to appeal.
Now, you've explained to us in the past that the state may only appeal on the grounds of the law and not because they simply think it was unfair. Is that correct?
That is correct. On the sentence, they can appeal if they feel the sentence was too light. So it's not there necessarily just a legal aspect. But as far as the conviction goes, the state can only appeal if it is a question of law. And this whole debate about was it a question of law or not? Because if it was a factual question, then they really don't have a basis to bring an application for leave to appeal. So in other words, did Judge Masipo pronounce the law correctly, but using the facts and placing it within the whole ambit of this dolus eventualis doctrine, was that incorrect? So, you know, that she misinterpreted the facts. So there's been a lot of legal debate about whether it is a factual issue or whether in fact it is a legal aspect. But the state has now decided they've got a basis to bring that application on the legal aspect, that she then misinterpreted the law relating to dolus eventualis, the whole murder aspect, vis-a-vis the whole question of culpable homicide.